mucho Spanish. Que se mueva el gay.
Baby, you got something in your nose. Sniffing that K, did you feel?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we are going to the beach and I'm a vlog over there, so when we get over there you'll see. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Alright, what's up YouTube? We're back at the beach. And yeah. Bro, why are you guys all wearing black? You all look emo. Oh my.
Embarrassing.
Oh gosh, what are you gonna do, bro? No! Luis! Bro, he hit me too. Luis, okay, let's go. Come here.
It was at this moment that he knew. He
Come here.
I'm getting Joe.
Cause this is Africa. Tamina, mina, eh, eh.
No.
Oh my God, bro. Nope.
That was so no.
My is nasty.
I could have broken it if I didn't spin.
Oh my God, bro.
Let him cook now. Let him cook. I said let him cook. My name's Luis and I brought the lazy limon.
My name's Marbella and I brought jalapeno chips.
My name is Xander Dingus, and I got Sour Patch watermelon, Sour Patch strawberries.
I brought chips. My name's Nathan and I brought these hot dogs.
I'm Fernando Suárez and we brought Lay's chili limon.
And with Espinosa and I brought honey.
Hi, my name is Dylan. He's lucky. Let him cook now. Let him cook. I said let him cook.
My pants, bro.
Oh my god! What is that?
My bones are aching. My granny bones cannot take this anymore. I'm 14, but I literally have the body of like a 90-year-old. I can't do this anymore, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. My hip is hurting for no reason.
Excuse me, what the actual Oh, great heavens!
Begging on the knees and me coming.
Okay, what's up, guys? We're back again, and I got an ice cream. It's this one. Luis got that one.
Y'all are such big bags.
Bro. And then Vienna got that one. And David got ice cream sandwich. And we're painting too, but
Brother, what's that?
and then this is David's.
Please, bro. So let me explain. So this is actually abstract aerospace aerodynamic yellow.
Where?
Yellow space. It's actually kind of good if you look at it. Right?
Bingle bongle dingle dangle, yickety doo, yickety da, ping pong, lippy tappy too ta.
You would say abstract.
Why are you yelling? This is Vienna's. Bro, hers is like the best one. This one is
no, it's actually mine. Look, turn it around.
I know. I think you took her credit, bro. Yep. Comment down below which one's the best one.
Luis. Luis.
Okay,
if
sign
you're in
language.
Spanish, online.
Okay, you guys go first. Is it cold, really? Oh my gosh, it's cold! No! Ew, it smells like SeaWorld.
Wait, brings new water.
Do I look? So how are we gonna play marbles?
The meanings of average kid that no one understands.
Okay.
Mom and Dad and Vicky.
Dude,
that salt water burns so bad.
This is probably gonna be a short vlog, but yeah, I had fun today, so yeah.
You're built like Big Mac.
All right,
You didn't even talk about the fair or anything.
What fair? Oh yeah, we took some pictures.
Let's go to the beach, let's go get a wave.
What? Oh my gosh. Wait, I just realized what that was. All right, guys. Peace out.